on how to remove limits on Instagram. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to remove limits on Instagram. So first is you have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So to be able to do that is all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and just type in Instagram. Now here on Play Store, if you will see an update button under your Instagram, then you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my application is actually updated. Now, if your application is already updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So let's go back to the home page and let us open the Instagram application. So to remove the limits on Instagram, so you will be directed here to your feed, to your Instagram feed. So on the bottom part, you will see your profile there on the bottom right part. You click on that and it will directly lead you to your profile. Now on the upper right, you will see the three dash lines there. You click on that and then click on settings. Now here on settings, under settings, you may want to go to your privacy here. You could actually put your account to private account, limits, hidden words, basically everything about the privacy of your account. So let's say, as you can see, my limits are already turned off. Now if it's turned on, so you may be wondering what is limits for. So it is actually for the unwanted interaction. So to those people that don't follow you, for example, you've been harassed or people are spamming you, then you could actually block them off. So let's just click on continue first. Then you will see who to limit. So these are the accounts that aren't following you. So let's say you want to receive messages from the accounts that don't follow you, then all you have to do is to click the off button for that to not limit it. Or for the recent followers, these accounts started following you in the past week. So let's say you don't want them to be included on the limit, then turn that off too. Then click on OK. Then you could actually set up how long would the limit take. And basically that is how you remove the limits on Instagram. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.